Ko e mamani ko e ni, o kai ke alu ki toi lere yange, au alu ki toi koviange. I tau whataulaki ma mga hipore, o toi lahi yange, i he ngai tapa ke heke, ka o kai ke totonu ki tau fo i ai. Ka whaingata aho hala, whainga. Malohi mai ho whiri, whainga pe. Neongo koe mamahi eni, e iai e fia fia, i he hulu o e tau whainga. O ka mamahi ho loto, whainga. E lelei a pongi pongi, whainga. Lahi pe e tau mamahi, iai whoki mo e ahi ahi, ka e mao beho pare, i ho o whainga. Ka iaha tu utamaki, whainga pe. Hei gai pe tēne riaki, whainga. Ugai ai ha mea ke motuhi ene o wha, mea teki tau tolu, ka pau te tau whainga. Oua mua na tau fo'i. Neongo e vai vai, e tau fia maarie, ka pau te tau whainga pe. Hi konga koe ni, o tau tu whakanga koe mātua, whanau me tangata i whanua, ka moe whewhine i whanua o tonga. O ki hota awhini ma ai lelei, moe tupulaki a ho tau kolo, pia moe whanua. Oua mua na tau fo'i, i he hoko mea e whainga taa, ka tau tu umau i he tui moe mooni, o gaya e otua o ta tauhi, he gaya e ofa o hao hawa, pia koene ofa o kui kai hano mataanga. Iho, koe ofa o whakalaisi, ko ofa o ne una ai mea kotoa pe, ko ofa o ne langa hake, ai ofa whakakaenga, ai ofa i he whanua, pia moe ofa i he otua. Pea oka tauka tutuku, mei heni, whatawange, ke whonu maupeho tau loto i he ofa ko ia, ai ofa o ku whakaotua.
If the way be full of trial, weary not. If it's one of sore denial, weary not. If it now be one of weeping, there will come a joyous greeting. When the harvest we are reaping, weary not. In our responsibilities as parents, children, and citizens of Tonga, the goodness and greatness of our nation is in our hands. Let us not be weary when we are faced with trials, but rather let us be steadfast in faith and truth that we are in the keep of God. For there is a love that is pure and infinite, even love of Christ. Love conquers all, and love begets love for fellow men, love for country, and love for our God. And should we depart from here, may our hearts be filled with that of love, even pure love of Christ. And in conclusion, with so much love to each and every one of you, please remember, if the way be full of trial, weary not.
Love Pea koe e lau kakato ia a e programa whamafola o e whiawhini mei he nuku alofa Central Stake Centre i Haveru. Aia koe programa i he kakato ko ia a e ahi a e whawhonga